Again, welcome back to things that you can do, because you guessed it. If I can do it, you can do it too. So today we are back on that Kent Northpoint bicycle. All right, you guys have been asking a lot of questions about how to adjust the brakes, and that's exactly what we're going to be looking at today. The analytics shows it that there's a lot of people who are watching the video, but they're not liking or subscribing. So please remember to do that for me, all right? Anyways, people, stay tuned. All right, so one of the first things you want to ensure is that your brake pads isn't coming too much in contact with your rotor. And if that's the case, you're going to have to loosen your front wheel like you see I'm doing here. And just ensure that your rotor is sitting almost in the middle of your brake pads. All right, so when putting it back together, you want to make sure that you do it just like so. To be honest, it's not going to be perfect. You're going to have some sort of contact because somehow the manufacturer didn't make this 100 proof. All right, so let's ensure that you can get it with as less contact as possible. And also spin your wheel to make sure that it's spinning freely. And from here, we're going to be adjusting our brake. Now, the first thing you want to do is adjust it from the assembly itself by twisting this lever in and out. And as you see, as you twist it in, it loosens up, and as you twist it out, it tightens up. You can also make adjustment to your brake by adjusting your brake levers. And one of the last steps you want to take is actually loosening up your cable. And then making adjustments to it. Then you go ahead and tighten that bad boy up. You should be good. Again, make sure that when you do this, you check your wheel to make sure it's turning freely. All right, next we're going to be adjusting our back brake, and I'm using a 10mm socket to loosen it up. After you loosen your cables, again, you're going to make adjustments. And then you're going to tighten that back up. And again, it's going to be different for you how loose or how tight your brake is presently. You can also make adjustments again on your brake levers for your back brake.